Hi up everyone. After having a play with Cox's double-ended shim the other day, I did notice that it's a bit stiff when it comes to the UL1s. Oh, 2103 is fine. Almost straight perfect, like silk. But the UL1s, look at that, it's very, very tight. How tight that were. On this side. So I've decided I'm actually going to take it to my Waterstone and chamfer it a little bit, be a bit of polish. I thought I'd film it, so enjoy. Right then, okay, welcome to my kitchen sink. Start with a Waterstone. And we'll polish the edges. Just try to angle it very, very slightly. Essentially it'd be very, very slight. Like that. You know, like putting an egg on a knife. We could be here for a while, so why don't you go get yourself a cup of tea? Towel, right, quick lock. See how it's slightly angled at the egg? That should work lovely. Okay then, so if you can, okay, both ends. Alright, let's give it a try, shall we? Still a little bit tight, but still tight, but it is easier than it was before. It's on this side. We'll do a bit more work to it. Sorry, banging. Right now I think there's only one thing left to do. I think that's it. Just gonna trim that bit off and that'll be grand. Lovely. Thanks for watching. See you next time.